Hi everyone and welcome. So here we have ACEBOTT 4 degree of freedom robot arm kit. Okay, and this comes under the Inventor series, and if you are going to order, then you have to order this number QD022. Okay, now this is the robotic arm. Okay, you can control with the joystick and 3-axis control, and also you can control using web and mobile app. Okay, so let's see what you will get inside this. Okay, so you will get this first, and in the back side you will get the list of material you are going to receive with this kit. Okay, so first of all, let's check all the things one by one. So first of all, you will get ESP32 controller board, and here we have ESP32 controller board. Okay, ACEBOTT ESP32 Max version 1.0 controller board. Okay, then after you will get acrylic board set. Okay, so here is the acrylic board set that we will see later, and next you will get 18650 battery holder. So here we have the 18650 battery holder. Okay, then after you will get this metal pillars, okay, screws and all the small component inside one package. Okay, screw, nuts, bolts, everything. Okay, then after, how many servo motors we have? So 4 servo motors. So here is the first, second, third and 4 servo motors you will get. Okay, then after, screwdriver and spanner. So here is your screwdriver and spanner. Okay, then how many joystick you will get? 2 pieces of joystick. So this one is the first joystick. Okay, and here we have the second joystick. Then after, yeah, non-slip sleeves. Okay, 4 pieces. So here is the non-slip sleeve, 4 pieces. Okay, and here is the help and support card from the ACEBOTT. If you got any problem, then you can email to them, and if you want to download the tutorial or if you want to buy anything from the ACEBOTT, then you can visit their website www.acebott.com. okay, then after, yeah, ACEBOTT sticker, and here is few cables. Okay, so wire, 12 pieces. So here we have the wires, and here you can see block, 4 pieces. So they have sent us the 5 pieces of block. Okay, thank you for the extra one. And here you will have the acrylic board set. So once we build the entire robotic arm, we are going to use the entire acrylic set for that. Okay, and then after you will get this non-slip mat. Okay, and 2 cable ties. Okay, so this is what you will get inside the robotic arm kit. Okay, and you can control this robotic arm using the joystick. You can control the robotic arm using the mobile application. You can also control using web page. Okay, because you can program ESP32 to receive the signal from the web page, from mobile application, because it is having Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, now let's open this one. Okay, so here is your ESP32 from the ACEBOTT. So I hope that's clear that what you will get inside the 4 degree of freedom robotic arm kit from the ACEBOTT. And yeah, that's all you will get, and you can build your robotic arm like this. Once we build it, we will create one more video that how you can control using Android application, using joystick and using web page. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos, and if you want to buy this kit, then you can visit the ACEBOTT website. Okay, here you can see www.acebott.com. You can visit and you can order it. Okay, and if you are in India and if you want to buy it, then also you can get in touch with us. We will get it for you and we will deliver it to your doorstep. So stay tuned for the future videos for more unboxing and more learning kits from the ACEBOTT. Okay, so do subscribe to Fusion Automate, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.